Hello fellow Wixers, Michael Strauch here from the Wix Training Academy, and today I would like to welcome you to our brand new series, the Digital Marketing Deep Dive. So in this series, we're going to take time each week to analyze new strategy, new updates, and new styles of digital marketing, so that way your website is not only looking amazing on the design and development portion, but is also generating new visitors every single day. Because at the end of the day, if you have a website that does not drive traffic, it's almost useless. And I mean that with all sincerity and honesty. Just think about it. If you have a storefront on Main Street and you don't have any customers come in, you don't have a business and it doesn't operate. The same thing applies to your website. In order for you to run a successful and thriving website, whether that's a platform, whether you're generating new business, whether you have an existing business and you're trying to generate new leads, whatever that may be, it requires people, it requires visits, and it requires traffic. So in this series, I'm going to take you down that path of exploring different digital marketing techniques. We're going to talk about content marketing. We're going to talk about SEO. We're going to talk about social media marketing. We're going to talk about pay-per-click advertising. These are all things that I haven't covered on this channel, but in true and honest sense, these are essential parts of running and starting up a brand new website or an existing website, because they are essential to driving traffic. Again, without that, you don't have a successful and thriving website, and that's the problem I'm looking to solve. So I hope you'll join me in this brand new series, and you'll take that digital marketing deep dive with me as we explore these different styles, updates, and techniques into digital marketing. I appreciate your time, and if you enjoyed this video, I would ask that you give it a thumbs up and throw a thumbs up if you're excited to learn more about this and dive into it. I would also love to hear what different styles or techniques of digital marketing you would like to learn down in the comments box below, and subscribe right over to the right of this video down below so that way you never miss an episode here on the Wix Training Academy of both design and development and also digital marketing now, because these are the key components to running a thriving website on today's modern landscape internet. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and if you'd like to learn more about myself or even starting a project with my team and I, you can head down to the link in the description below at wixtrainingacademy.com. Click that link and go check out the site. Also, join that free Wix Training Academy by clicking yes, I want free Wix content at the top of the page. You guys are awesome, and I'm super excited to explore and dive into this new digital marketing deep dive series with you. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you on our next video.